Okay, so now they're asking you to solve it by elimination method. So elimination, just like its name, okay, you want to eliminate something. Either you eliminate the x or eliminate the y. Okay, so let's see. So this will be my equation 1, and this will be my equation 2. So let's take a look. Okay, 3x and 6x, 2y and 9y. So actually, we can eliminate x, we can also eliminate y. Okay, both way also can. But we will always analyze and see which one is faster and easier. It's like, for example, if let's say I choose the y, I have to change the 2 become 9 and 9 become 2, which is not possible. So in the end, I have to find the LCM, which is 18 in this situation. That means change them to 18, and then I eliminate 18y. Okay, but I have to massage 2 equations. But if you look at 3x and 6x, you know that, oh, I can change the 3x to become 6x by just multiplying by 2. Then you know that, oh, at least I only need to massage 1 equation. So in this situation, we make a decision that, oh, okay, we're going to make x disappear. So we then say equation 1, I want it to multiply by 2. And when you multiply by 2 means that everyone multiply by 2. You cannot say, oh, left hand side multiply by 2 and then right hand side you don't care and it just remain the same. Then it will not be like balanced. So you're going to do the same thing on both sides. In this case, look at equation 1 and multiply by 2. So it will be 6x minus 4y equals to 10. Times 2, times 2, times 2, yes. And I shall name this equation 2. So now I have equation 2, equation 3. Remember, I want to get rid of the x. So now you have to ask yourself, actually you only have 2 options. Either you plus them or you subtract them. So you got to ask yourself, 6x and 6x, do you subtract them or do you plus them in order to make them 0? So you have to have this logical process thinking. Okay, should I subtract them so they become 0? 6x plus 6x minus 6x becomes 0, or is it 6x plus 6x becomes 0? 2 minus 3. Okay, so you see how I minus. Don't do the how to call that? Don't do mental subtraction. Use the bracket, especially when you're doing subtraction. So equation 2, the left hand side, let's put bracket 6x plus 9y minus the left hand side, which is bracket 6x minus 4y. Then after that, negative 16 minus 10. So be careful whether is it negative number or not. So what I did was left hand side minus left hand side, right hand side minus right hand side. Okay, then you open up the bracket, 6x plus 9y minus 6x minus minus plus 4y. So this is the critical part whereby most students will make a mistake here. That is why when you do subtract, please put the bracket. Okay, and then it becomes minus 26. So 6x minus 6x, of course, will disappear because that was our initial intention, correct? So now I left with 9y plus 4y equals to negative 27. So it becomes 13y. 13y equals to minus 26. So y is equals to minus 2. Okay, so after you solve the y, in this situation is you solve your y first. Okay, then now you need to solve your x. So how do you solve your x? In this situation, because you see this one also not x as subject, this one also not x as subject, this one also not x as subject. So this one actually you want to sub into equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 also okay. Usually I will choose the one with smaller number. So in this situation, I'm going to sub it into equation 1. So we will say substitute y equals to minus 2 into equation 1. So now it will be 3x minus 2y equals to 5. 3x minus 2y equals to 5. So 3x plus 4 equals to 5. 3x equals to 5 minus 4. 3x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1/3. Therefore, our x is equals to 1/3. Our y is equals to negative 2. Done.